Are you thinking of creating viral videos on YouTube or on TikTok, but you have no idea how to do it? So let me teach you how to do this. This is my YouTube channel. So I have a lot of videos going viral. So hence is why within the last 3 years, actually, to be frank, I cannot churn out any much subscribers. But this year, it changed my whole of the way I think. So I use my TikTok right now to grow my YouTube channel. So this is how I do it on my TikTok. Okay, this is how I do it. I'm gonna show it to you. This is how I find top 10, maybe the most liked videos, meaning the most viral videos on TikTok. So this is my TikTok, right? So let me help you to see. So this is my TikTok right now. So I'm gonna show you, right, how do I find some like pimples videos. Okay, for example, I'm finding pimples video and I want to find the most liked one. So I want to find the most liked one by this week and most liked one. So and I apply. So TikTok is going to show me what is the most liked videos, right? And then this is how I find the most viral strategy, most viral contents right now that's on TikTok. So how to remove pimples and what are the other people are searching. So I will take a look at it and then I'll do my research. So this is how I do my research on TikTok, so that I'm able to find the content that's going viral right now. Okay, so another way to find is via magazines, female magazines, or on Amazon. So I'm going to show it to you. So I will go to Amazon, right? And then I'll find what is the top 10 most sold and most read books of the week, because you can find some pattern whereby, you know, if there's a certain books that's going on viral, so people will need to want to hear this, right? And then I will check out a similar topic. Go tell the beast that I'm gone, and then I'll take a look at what is it all about, and then I will see like maybe there's a certain topic that your audience is looking for, so you find that common topic they can talk about. So this is how I find my strategies. And also I will go to search for maybe female magazines, right? And then I'll see their titles. Maybe let's go female magazine and see what kind of title that's going on right now that you can talk about. Maybe some things to do in Singapore. It really depends on your niche of your channel. Like for my channel, it's social media and beauty, so I will more search for beauty, right? But if you're in the fashion, you can search for fashion, and you can see what kind of questions or articles that they are doing right now. Turning 100, what inspire? Or maybe, oh, what's the latest spring summer bags? If you are doing fashion, you can actually see all this as your a way to create viral content strategies. Yeah, so I hope that I gave you some ideas and you can do your own research, because you need to do a lot of research yourself, right? And next lesson, right, I'll teach you, right, how to find long tail keyword, right, so that you can use it in your hashtags or even on the title of your YouTube videos to get more readers to find you and to subscribe to your channel. So I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Do you want to be an influencer? Do you want to be your own boss? Are you an entrepreneur who wants to use video marketing, right, to generate organic leads, right, and to increase your revenue? Follow me for more.